Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with another addition to my Halloween series. I've just made these straw picks and they're good to stick into Happy Meal, into baskets, into presents. That's what I made them for. If you remember, I did these Halloween sentiments. I printed them and cut them out and backed them on some cardstock. Those are the sentiments I used for these straws, and then I just added ribbon and some of the eyelash yarn and a pom-pom on the top of all of them. But the video for these sentiments I will link here if you did not get a chance to see it. If you're new here, welcome. I appreciate you stopping by. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on my crafty journey. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate your love and support. Thank you for choosing to come back. And then I'm gonna make one here shortly. And so those are the 5 I've made so far. And then I have another straw here. So let me get my things together. Okay, so the first thing I did was back the sentiment up again. And then I trimmed so you could see some of the black. And then I did flag tails on one side. Like so. And then this side I just ran my scissors over it carefully. Kind of like curling it like the curling ribbon, but not really. I'm just kind of breaking up the thread really so that I could wrap it around the straw much easier. And then I just add some hot glue. Get my straw and then just wrap the sentiment around the straw. Clean up whatever you want to clean up. So I am gonna add some of this eyelash yarn and some of the black ribbon. So I cut a fairly good size ribbon for me to work with and some of the eyelash trim. Let me get this out of the way. I have my little pom-pom here. I am going to put some hot glue and glue the bad boy on the top. So that is done. There. I am going to make a bow, probably. That's what I'm gonna do. Make a bow. And I made it long because I wasn't sure how long I wanted the tails for the bow. So I'm just trying to even out the bow. And then I am going to snip it so it matches the other side. And then, what else? I'm gonna add some of this orange stuff. So this I'm gonna tie around the straw in a knot, but I'm gonna put a dot of glue here so I can secure it. Sometimes it gets messy, but here we go. Just tie it where it will be by the hot glue, so it will stay. So there's that so far. And then I'm gonna add the bow. Get some more hot glue. Careful, don't burn yourself. And hold it in place for a couple of seconds. 1, 2, 3 seconds. Okay, and that's it. I don't have a jack-o'-lantern, do I? I have a, yes I do, I have a sequence. Let me see if I can find my jack-o'-lantern sequence to add to this. I will be right back. Okay, here's my jack-o'-lantern sequence. I'm just gonna add some hot glue to that as well. And adhere it in the middle of the bow. Maybe you can't see it all that well, but it's there. Focus. Okay, so see, it's there. So that was my very easy straw picks. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.